Hey guys, how are you doing today? This video is going to be very random, so I'm not having any kind of script. As a matter of fact, I've never had a script from a very long time. If you would have noticed, I've been really fumbling around whenever I'm recording a video. The reason why I'm doing that is because I am practicing myself to speak without a script. And if you would have seen, yeah, the quality must have gone down in the previous videos, which I have been recording way too frequently, because I just wanted to deliver. I just want to keep on practicing so that my craft keeps on getting better and better. If you've been really watching my previous videos, I'm really glad you're doing it, and thank you so much for bearing out with me in the way that I'm presenting myself and I'm talking to you in terms of giving you any kind of knowledge or any kind of value if I've been able to provide you in any of the videos that I've shared with you in the past. Just to give you a little brief, from the last around I think 7-8 videos that I've recorded, I've not really written down any kind of a script. I did not. I mean, I just took it as a challenge because I thought that I wanted to improve my vocal presentation while I'm recording the video. So which is why I was like, let's start getting into a practice of doing that. And recording these videos helped me, is definitely helping me. So I might not be perfect, and who really wants to be perfect? I just want to be better. So this is my attempt in making my craft better every time whenever you see on my video that I'm recording. And yeah, before that, whenever I used to record, I always used to have a script. Like each and every word that I used to speak was written down. So I'm just not doing that anymore. And right now, which is why if you see me the way that I present, yeah, it's different. And I like it also that way for a couple of reasons. The one reason is that it is faster. I mean, I've been able to record my videos in just like 15 to 25 minutes, somewhere in between that, 15 to 18 minutes or 20 minutes, somewhere in between that. So it's been more faster, and I'm just putting myself into a habit so that I speak without actually having a script and whatever comes to my mind about it. Also, I wouldn't say that I don't think about the topics before, because most of the things that I talk about is the things that I've already spoken about, or maybe I've written the content for, maybe on Instagram, LinkedIn, or written an email when I'm sending my weekly newsletters about the product, or anything that I talk about in terms of branding, strategies, positioning, values, core values, all of that stuff. So this is my attempt to, practice, and this is what message that I wanted to give you with this video also. Guys, you have to put yourself into practice. It's not really about perfection. It's not really about getting the best stuff out there. It's just about getting the stuff out there, and that's it. Why do you even care that you would be loved or hated by some people? You don't have to really depend on their reactions. Just keep on delivering, and your craft will get better. I have promised myself that I have to deliver 100 videos before I actually see and go back and start working on my process. So I have to build that muscle of consistency. That is more important for me. So I'm really sorry. I apologize in advance if you think my videos are somewhat like going out of the line, or they're just like this, what is happening right now. So I might go off track sometimes, but it's okay. I mean, I'm perfectly okay with it. I know that I'm going to improve with time, and the improvement will only come when I'm more consistent to it. So like I've promised myself that I'm going to deliver on at least 5 videos in a month, and so far I've been successful in doing that, and I'm going to keep that consistency ongoing. And by the next month, I want to even take it down to 100 videos in 1 year. So that means it could be a little more than 4 videos or 5 videos in a month. So thank you so much, guys, and for listening to my, whatever you call it, rant or whatever. I just wanted to come out honest and tell you this is how it is and this is how it is done. So if you're on the sidelines and you think you need a perfect script and you don't know how to go about it, just do it, guys. Just do it. And I'm sure you'll be better, not maybe in the first time, second time, third time, but maybe the 5th time. You would be so much better than the one that you recorded as your first video. I hope you're getting any value from the videos that I'm recording. And please keep on showing me your love and support, because I really need it. If you're loving it, please do subscribe to my channel. Show some love on the comment section. Connect with me on Instagram. Pretty much active on Instagram. I post almost every single day on Instagram. May those be videos, may those be carousels about the content that I'm sharing almost every single day. What is my perspective about branding and everything. And it is all value-driven content. So do follow me on Instagram if you haven't done it so far. My goal with the videos that I'm making is that I want you to have that power of making your own videos, making that own impact, and which is why it is just my way of pushing you. This particular video that I'm recording is just my way of pushing you. It's okay, just do it. I'm there. Just send me the video whenever you record it, tag me into it, and I'll be your number one supporter. Okay, so let's do it. All right guys, take care.